Yung experience ko rin is super happy kasi Vanessa modeling was na-enhance ko the way I walk and sa acting. And maraming skills na nabago sa akin. So, sadya ko na you should join this again kasi alam ko na mas may improve na yung dancing, modeling, and acting ninyo. Yun lang. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and all the major
Hi, Filmarts fam! So maganda naman experience ko dito kasi dahil sa kanilang libreng pa-workshops ng dancing, acting, and modeling which is nasalihan ko naman nila.